Today I have chosen the topic Women Empowerment from Professor Ethics Chapter 5 Human Rights chapter. Okay, since this is a frequently asked question, I want to revise this topic. Explain the various special programs for women development from the government. So, what are the different schemes we are going to discuss? The following programs are undertaken. So, first one is Indira Gandhi Matrutva Sahayog Yojana IGMSY. Since in villages, women will be dependent upon some daily wages for their income. So, since they are pregnant, they cannot go for job, they cannot do hard work. To support them, the government is giving some cash incentive for two children for the two live births. Okay, so this particular scheme is intended to overcome wage loss. They won't be having any wages during maternity leave. To overcome that, the government is providing some cash incentive for their expenses. That is the gist of this particular scheme. Okay, second scheme. What is the second scheme? The second scheme we have Rajiv Gandhi scheme for empowerment of adolescent girls. Okay, so some village girls, for example, they will be having no idea about, suppose, adolescent girls who are not going to schools and colleges. They will stay at home, they will be lacking nutrition because of various reasons, poverty being the main reason, and they have to be given some support for family welfare, health matters and hygiene matters. This scheme is for that purpose. For remembering, it is very easy. Okay, first one Indira Gandhi, second one Rajiv Gandhi. Some rhyming words are there. First one Indira Gandhi, second one Rajiv Gandhi. Like that you can remember. Okay, first one Indira Gandhi Matrutva. Okay, Matrutva means mother. Mother, like that you can remember. Indira Gandhi mother. Okay, scheme means the pregnant woman. Secondly, Rajiv Gandhi scheme for empowerment of adolescent girls means RGCG. You can remember that. Okay, RG Rajiv Gandhi. C means SEA stands for scheme for empowerment of adolescent. SEAC RGCG. Some rhyming words will be there. You can remember easily. RGSCG. Okay, C for SEAC. That is scheme for empowerment of adolescent girls. Like that you can remember. Okay, so since this is a 10 marks very repeated question, you have to pay some little more attention for this answer. Okay, 10 points, 10 marks. National Maternity Benefit Scheme is the third scheme. National Maternity Benefit Scheme. What is this scheme for? Because many urban women will be going to different kinds of jobs, MNC jobs, daily wages, factory jobs, etc. Okay, since they will be in maternity leave, they will not be given salary from in private companies. To overcome this, the women can apply maternity leave benefits for salary amount they will give in this scheme. They will provide some percentage of the salary from the companies, okay, through the companies, okay, to the maternity women, okay, women who are under maternity leave. That is the scheme. Okay, so next one is reproductive and child health program. So since the government came to know that many child deaths are happening due to malnutrition. Okay, so especially the government was very interested to take care of the child before birth and after birth. Okay, extra special care was required for the for pregnant woman before childbirth, and so the child as soon as it is born should be given very special care. So that particular this particular scheme covered those requirements of women. Okay, so this is the fourth scheme. Now going to the next scheme. Okay, so the next one is Mahila Kair Yojana. Mahila Kair Yojana. That means Kair. You know that coconut shell. The coconut shell, what we get is the kair. Okay, so that kair can be used to manufacture many products. Okay, so the government wanted to specially encourage women to get into this particular self-help job. Okay, self-employment jobs. So to create self-employment opportunities, they used to give some loan to start a small business like factory at home. Okay, so handicrafts at home, handicraft like business at home. For that purpose, Mahila Kair Yojana was given. Here also Mahila, two rhyming words are there. Okay, Mahila Kair and Mahila Samakya, you can remember. Okay, altogether you can Rajiv Gandhi, Indira Gandhi, Mahila Kair, Mahila Samakya means 4 points at least you can get. Okay, so in Mahila Samakya Yojana, next scheme. Okay, here since women were not given education, equality in education among the rural areas, especially to empower them, to provide support for them, Mahila Samakya Yojana was created. Okay, education for women, equality. Okay, the women were given some special schemes, fees reduction or no fees at all. So to study further higher studies, the government is supporting them by using this particular scheme. Okay, so the next scheme is Stree Shakti project. What is this Stree Shakti project means? Okay, to make the women more socially and economically powerful. Okay, so that Stree Shakti project actually supports a group of women may start one particular project by investing, by taking loans and investing, and help each other to lead a healthy and respectful life. Okay, this is Stree Shakti project. Next one is Santvana. Okay, in this scheme we can help the women. This particular scheme is very important scheme since it is helping the victims of domestic violence. Okay, women who are suffering from domestic violence, sexual abuse, rape victims, dowry victims. So this scheme was introduced to support especially those kinds of victims. This particular scheme was introduced. Finally, we have Rashtriya Mahila Kosh. Okay, so Rashtriya Mahila Kosh is a particular scheme to provide microfinance and credit for small in-house women who are working for daily wages, such as dairy. If a woman wants to buy a cow and milk it and sell it, or if you wants to open a small shop. Okay, so this particular Mahila Kosh Yojana was supporting. They used to give loans was provided from the government, and she has to pay some amount of money daily wise to the particular bank, so that her loan was being completed. Okay, that is the Rashtriya Mahila Kosh Yojana. So these points you can write for 10 marks. Okay,